Hello everyone and welcome back to the Animal Sciences channel. In previous video, we have learned how to create variables, objects and vectors. So in this video, we will see how to perform simple operations on vectors and objects. Let's create a vector A with value 3 and vector B with value 7. First, we will see how we can compare these two vectors. So we will check is vector A less than vector B using less than operator. Run the code. The answer is true. Next we will see is vector A greater than vector B. The answer is false. We can also compare numbers to the values in vectors. For example, you can also check is vector B greater than 5. That is true. You can also check whether a value in an object is equal to another value using double equal sign or operator. So let's check, is vector A equal to 3? Yes, it is. To check if two values are not equal, we use exclamation sign with equal to sign like this. So let's check, is it true that vector A not equal to vector B? The answer is true. So now we will compare vectors with more than one values. Let's create two vectors x and y with three numeric values in each. Run the code. We will check whether the values in vector x are less than to the values in vector y using this code. Run the code. Now the output is different. It shows first value is true but the other two values are false. You can play with R by using different comparison symbols. If the length of two vectors is same, then we can also add, multiply, divide and subtract each element of a vector to the corresponding element of the other vector. So let's add vector x and y. You can also subtract each element of y from x using y minus x command. Similarly, you can also multiply each element of x and y using this code. Now we will see how we can find a specific element in a vector. Let's say if you want to know the third element of vector x, so what you will do, you will simply type x and then type 3 in the square bracket. R will show you the third element in the x vector. That is 7. You can also store a specific value of a vector to a new vector. For example, to store second value of y vector in z, we will use this code. Run the code. A new z vector is created which contains the second value of y vector, that is 4. To select a sequence of elements from a vector, we use colon sign. We will select first three elements of the vector x using this code. Run the code. To select all the elements from y vector except second element, we will use this code. So run the code. To select first and third elements of vector x, we will use this code. Run it. So both of these elements are shown here. To select elements of x which are equal to 7, we will use this code. So these were some basic operations you can do with vectors. To remove all the objects or vectors at once, you can use this command. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel.